So you have a WordPress website where the tools and containers and the icons, text element seems not to be working. So as you can see here, mine is saying that it's still loading. Click here for solution. Now, when you click it, it takes you to, of course, Elementor website where it explains what you should do. So, but without further ado, let's fix this quickly. So, what you want to do is go to your website dashboard and go to Elementor, and you hover. Normally, you would hover over Elementor, and then you're going to look for settings, and then here you click settings. As you can see, I've clicked on settings, okay, on Elementor, and then you go to the advanced tab, and we're going to look for switch editor. Okay, so let's see this one. We're looking for switch editor. Should be somewhere around. By the way, I'm using Elementor Pro. Okay, it's here. So advanced and then switch editor loader method. So as you can see, it's disabled. Let's click and enable that. Go down, save, save the changes, and then let's go back and refresh our website. All right, so you can see that this has worked. So that is how you, resolve that problem. When elements are not loading, just go in there and switch that on, and you're good to go. Thank you guys, and see you next time in another video. Please appreciate us by liking the video, sharing, and of course subscribing. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.